Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a brand new self-tan product, or brand new to me at least. It is the Caudalie Self-Tan Sun Drops. I didn't even know that this brand made self-tanners, so once I saw that, I was like, I need to try this. I am so excited to see what this is all about, see what it does, and all the fun stuff we normally do. So before we get into it, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. You do not want to miss out on 3 videos a week, so please make sure that you are part of this beautiful self-tan makeup loving family. So subscribe, but if you want to see me review this product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so as usual, I have this pulled up online. We are just gonna go over some details about this, then we're gonna unbox it, see what it looks like. Then we're gonna try it out, see what it actually does, and then let it develop, see the result we get, and I'll let you know if I think it's worth it at the end. I'm out of breath these days, so please ignore me. Again, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, I love the brand Caudalie. I've tried their skincare stuff, and I absolutely love everything I've tried, but obviously I've never tried the self-tan drops, so I was really excited when I saw this. So again, it's the Caudalie Self-Tan Sun Drops. It goes for $29, which I honestly feel like is pretty good pricing if you ask me. And then you get 15 ounces. Oh, okay, that's why. You get 0.5 ounces. So it's about half of the standard size. So take that into consideration when you put price and size together, because now that makes sense. I'm like, Caudalie is not that inexpensive. So I get it. It says good for all skin types. It's a tinted fluid. Key ingredients: organic grape water, 100% natural origin DHA. It's a fully customizable, fragrance-free and clean self-tanner for an even tan all year round. Enriched with organic grape water and self-tanning active ingredients of natural origin. Its formula is hydrating and reveals a naturally sun-kissed complexion without UV exposure. Love that. If you hear any weird sounds, my cat is like sliding around and scratching the chair that I'm sitting on, so it's my girl down there. Then it says it's 99% natural origin ingredients, dermatologically tested, suitable for pregnant women, which is amazing because if you guys have been with me, you know I'm pregnant, so I'm trying to be very cautious of what I put on my body and what I put into my body. So I'm really glad this says that it's suitable for pregnant women. Tested on sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, and vegan. So application tips. It says add 2 to 6 drops of the Self-Tan Sun Drops to any face cream or serum, mix together and then apply evenly. And then it says 1 to 3 drops for a light effect, 3 to 6 drops for a darker tan. You know well that we are doing 6 drops because we want as much color as we can get. All that's left to do now is unbox this. So here is the box it comes in. Super cute. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Like, it looks like a mini face serum. I think it's so cute looking. It's definitely tinted on the inside. You can tell. We'll see if that translates onto my face. I feel like a lot of times when self-tanners look like this, they still go on the face clear, so we'll see what happens. Different that it says on here, but packaging wise, A+. Obsessed. I love the frosted glass. I love that you can see the product inside. The dropper is very nice. And yeah, I just really like it. So I have my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I'm gonna put some of that into my palm. Try not to do too much this time because I feel like I'm a little too generous with how much moisturizer I apply. And then we're gonna do 6 drops of this. That was 6 drops. Now I'm taking like the broken end of a Q-tip and I'm mixing everything together. I can confirm that this doesn't have a smell, or at least nothing that I can smell, so love that. I have this mixed in my hand. Now we can start applying. This is gonna go all over my face. I don't have anything on my face right now, so we can get started and then we'll talk details. All right, I just finished applying. If you hear a weird sound, my cat's litter box is cleaning itself as usual these days, so please ignore, but here is my face. Obviously, no color has gone on. Even though it's tinted in here, it went on clear going on my face. Like, you can't see any kind of color or difference that it's made as of just yet, which was to be expected. So no complaints there. It felt really good going onto the skin. Like, mixing my Kiehl's moisturizer with this just created the perfect little combo of a moisturizer and a serum, and it felt super easy to apply, super smooth and soft going on, and my skin just now feels super smooth and soft. Like, no stickiness whatsoever. I don't know if you guys can see that. No stickiness. It feels really, really good. My skin just feels hydrated, moisturized, well taken care of. Doesn't feel like I have any like sticky, gross product on my face. Doesn't feel like I have self tanner on at all. So I love, love, love those things. And it's giving me a glow. I don't know what the camera is picking up, but I feel like this is giving me a really nice glow to my face. So overall, I just really love what it's doing for me. And it's super easy, like 6 drops. This is super cute. Like, I just love everything about it so far. I don't have any negatives besides the price for the size. I feel like when you do the math, it is kind of pricey for how much product you get, so we will see if it's worth it or not. So all that's left to do is sit and wait. So I'm gonna let this do its thing overnight, and then once I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna wash my face, and then I'll come back, show you guys what we're working with, and let you know if I think it's worth your money. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and here is my face. So I do have some thoughts. When I woke up this morning, I was a little bit surprised to see how little color I got. I was fully expecting to have a little bit more of a result than what I got because of the fact that it said it's customizable, like 6 drops you'll get darker. So I was expecting to see some more color than I did. So when I saw my face, I was like, shoot, okay. And I didn't really apply that much moisturizer. Like, I did less than I typically do, and it still didn't give me that much color. Like, it's not like I diluted it a lot with the moisturizer. So I was definitely disappointed to see how little color I got. I do love how even it is. Like, the color that I did get is very subtle. I would literally consider it more like a gradual kind of color, if that makes sense. Like, it's very, very subtle. But I like how even it is. It's not splotchy or patchy or anything like that. It just looks very smooth and nice on my face. So I do like that. It was super comfortable to wear throughout the night. Just felt like skincare, so I just kind of completely forgot that it was even on there. So no complaints there. Just the only complaint I have, which is of course the main thing that we're talking about here, is the amount of color that I got. Like, I seriously had high hopes. Like, I feel like when you see it in this bottle, it has that nice tint to it, and it makes you kind of think like, oh, this is gonna give me good color. So you can imagine when I saw the result, I was like, no. So I don't know, you guys. Like, I love the concept of this. I love the fact that it's pregnancy friendly. I love the fact that it is like naturally derived ingredients, natural DHA. I just love everything about it. I do also feel like for the size that you get for the price and then the color that you get, I don't know that I would necessarily say it's worth it or that you need this. I feel like there's a lot of good self-tanners out there for around the same price, but you get more product and it just makes more sense. You get more color. So I feel like for all those 3 things put together, size, price, and result, I don't think I would repurchase this. Like, I think since I have it, and I know it's pregnancy friendly, I feel like I'll find myself grabbing for it just for that reason, but I would probably apply more drops to it, or maybe even test it out without mixing it with a moisturizer, we'll see. But I do think if I was just in the market for a new self-tanner, this would not be my first choice of something to grab. I don't think you're missing out if you don't try this. I think, like I said, there's a lot of good self-tanners out there that'll give you more of a result for that same price tag and for more product in there. So I'm gonna say, if you haven't already gotten it or you're not really dying to try it, you can skip this one. I would probably skip it, but now that I have it and I know it's pregnancy friendly, I'll probably use it a few more times. So I hope that helped, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about how it turned out. If you think I'm crazy and you think I have more color than I see, let me know. Just give me your thoughts. Let me know what else you want me to try. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.